Welcome everyone to Ricky's Tech Talk. Our homes are forever getting smarter, and today I want to show you the latest variant of Amazon's Echo Dot, which is powered by Alexa. So this is called the Echo Dot. This is Amazon's fourth generation now of the Echo, and I've had the Echo Dot all the way from the beginning. I will dig out to the first generation and we can take a look together. They've taken a new approach and made it spherical now. So it's a little ball which looks really nice, and we're going to sit it in the corner of our new home. So the colour options have slightly changed as well, and they've introduced a new colour option here which is called Twilight Blue. This is from Amazon here in the UK, and I will put a link in the description. So their normal price is $49.99, but at the moment it's currently $39.99. When it first launched it was on offer for $29.99 during the Black Friday deals, but that sadly has now surpassed. But the link will be in description, so make sure you go and check it out for yourself. So let's take a look around the box. So on the front here we get to see the Echo Dot itself, powered by Alexa of course, and this is from Amazon. Come around to the side, we have a bit of information. So on the side it says Smart Speaker Plus Alexa. The updated design delivers crisp vocals and balanced bass for full sound. Play music, turn on compatible lights, make calls to friends and family, and access Alexa skills all with your voice, which is really important. On the back here it says Alexa is happy to help. And you can ask such phrases as Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. to pop music, Alexa, play the news. A couple of little briefing options there that you can choose, plus so much more with the Alexa skills. Final bit of information says it has a 3.5mm audio aux output jack. It has Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on and off button for privacy. It is then compatible with thousands of skills and services including Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, BBC, Audible, Hue lighting systems, which we have here in my little office setup, and what's in the box. Not going to read what's in the box, let's get it unboxed together. So along the top we've just got a little bit of tape. Just pull that tape off. We have the Amazon smile that we're all recognisable now too. And it shows you quick instructions here how to set up, and you will need the Alexa app, which is available on iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. So we're going to be doing it on the iOS App Store today. So first of all is your plug. So you're going to receive a UK 3-pin plug here in white. Has that connection there. Then we've got our little spherical ball here. A bit of tab here, and you should be able to just slide this out. They do offer one with a clock as well. Just take off the wrapping there. Let's take a closer look at this. We went for a blue colour as well because this is going to work well in our new home setup that we have here. So we've got plus, minus, you've got your Alexa button, and you also have a mute option here. So tactile, very tactile, you can feel these, which is really nice. Blue in colour. We've got our connections at the back here, so your power and then your aux out for audio options. You've got rubberized foot for it to stand on. That's just going to sit on the side there. And the next step really is to power on. But before we do that, you do have some instructions here, just in case this is your first one. So it says, hello, Echo Dot. This just folds out, showing you information, going through the buttons I've already mentioned, your power supply, and then a little bit more information on the box, and then you've just got warranty information in the bottom there. So that's everything in the box. Now let's power it on. So just before we plug in our Alexa, what you need to do is download the application. So on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, you need to search for Alexa. So here is the one here, so Amazon Alexa. So you need to download this. If not, you can just open it up if you have it already. So I have all of my devices here. Just going to sit that to the side. Going to grab our little spherical Echo Dot here and just find that. And there we go, got a little halo of light there at the bottom. So on my iPhone.
Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
While it's going through, it's already popped up here and we can continue. Then go through to your Wi-Fi, so we're going to select this one. And what you need to do is select where it's going to go. So this is going to go in our guest bedroom. Actually asking where your device is, and we're going to enter our new address. Our setup is now complete. And there we go. Our Alexa is all set up and ready to use. So Alexa, what's the temperature today?
At the moment, it's 2 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 0 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a funny joke.
Did you hear about the pirate who became a great chef? He mastered the 7 seasonings.
Okay, that's a terrible joke. You can also set timers, you can set reminders, you can also buy things on Amazon. So with your Alexa, you can do multiple different things. So you can control different temperatures, you can control lights, you can control smart plugs if you've got them connected. So I have just gone through and set up the Alexa skill for Philips Hue system with the Hue lights that I have here. So you can see I've got the strip and also I've got a little light there in the corner. Alexa, dim my lights by 50%.
Okay.
Does that automatically for me. Alexa, full brightness in the office.
Okay.
It does it automatically for me because I've set it up on the device. Very easy and very simple to do. You just find the skill, download it, install your accounts with the Philips Hue system, press the button on the Philips Hue bridge. Very quick and very easy to do. So just to end the video, let's go through some of the top features that actually have been used at the moment by people around the world with their Amazon Smart Alexa devices. So Alexa, open animal sounds.
Okay, here's animal sounds. Ahoy there. What animal sound would you like to hear?
An elephant.
Get ready for an elephant sound. Would you like a random animal sound?
Yes.
Here comes a koala sound. Shall I play another random animal sound?
No. So you can also ask Alexa about the most important things that are happening at the moment with brief flash news bites. So Alexa, what's the news?
Ricky, here's what's new. From Sky News.
From the Sky News Centre at 3, the Health Secretary says every adult will be offered a coronavirus jab by the autumn. Matt Hancock says more than 200,000 people are being vaccinated every day and they're on course to reach the target of 2 million jabs a week. He's warning people trying to bend the lockdown rules could be fatal. Dr Chand Nagpal from the Doctors Union, the British Medical Association, agrees it's essential we follow the rules.
There are going to be instances
Alexa,
where you will need to have...
Stop. Do multiple different things. When it comes to dinner, you can get recipes read to you. You can set timers. You can set reminders for your shopping list. You can even do a meal planner, which is very exciting. There's loads of different options and we'll be really delving in and taking a stronger look. So one thing I just want to show and talk about is your privacy and your safety. If you are worried about Alexa and that using your information, don't worry. You can also mute the microphone throughout the house or simply just tap the button here. It glows red so you know Alexa is not listening and won't respond if I call for her. But also that means announcements won't happen and other information won't come through once asked. So just tap again and this will turn it off. But you can also then set reminders, you can set all different things and you can use your Alexa and away you go. You can listen to music thanks to Apple Music, Amazon Music, Spotify, loads of different options. You can stream from your device as well. Can't sadly do that because of copyright information, but that will work and it will happily work for you. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the brand new Amazon Echo Dot here, 4th generation in the Twilight blue, which looks really nice in an office, bedroom, wherever you're going to have it, a study, fits in really well. Or you could put them throughout your living room, child's bedroom, wherever you want to. It is available from Amazon currently at $39.99 and the standard price is $49.99, so you save £10 currently at the moment. Link will be in description. Also there will be a link through Amazon as well where you can buy through Amazon and help support the channel, which really does help then make sure that I can provide new content. Thank you always for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. To stay updated with my latest videos, make sure you hit the notification bell and you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. From me, Ricky, thanks always for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay well, bye for now.